Welcome to MoneyVerse USA.
In 2025, the dream of making money while you sleep isn't a fantasy anymore. It's a strategy. People across America are learning how to earn passive income, money that works for you, even when you're not working for it. And here's the truth. You don't need to be a millionaire or a tech genius to build passive income streams. You just need to understand how money flows and how to make it flow toward you. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful, realistic ways to build passive income in 2025, starting from scratch. By the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your life, how to start, and the mindset that keeps it growing. Why passive income matters. Let's start with the why. In 2025, inflation still eats away at your money faster than ever. The average cost of living has risen by over 18% in just a few years. And your paycheck? It probably didn't rise that fast. So if you're relying only on active income, your job, you're in danger of falling behind. That's where passive income comes in. It's like planting financial seeds that keep growing even while you sleep. Imagine waking up on a Sunday morning, checking your phone, and seeing $37 deposited overnight from a digital sale, or earning $50 in dividends just because you owned a few shares of stock. That's the quiet power of passive income. It buys back your time and peace of mind. Way 1. Dividend investing. Let's start with the most reliable form of passive income, dividend investing. When you buy shares of a company that pays dividends, you're literally getting paid for owning a small piece of it. Think of companies like Coca-Cola, Apple, or Johnson & Johnson. They've been paying consistent dividends for decades. Here's how it works. If you invest $1,000 in a dividend stock with a 5% annual yield, you'll earn about $50 every year without doing anything. And if you reinvest that money, compounding kicks in and your income grows year after year. The beauty? You don't need to time the market or trade daily. You just need patience. Start with an ETF like SCHD or VYM, both of which focus on high-quality dividend companies. Even investing $100 a month can turn into thousands over time. Remember, passive income loves time and consistency. Way 2. Real estate crowdfunding. Next up, real estate crowdfunding. You probably heard that real estate builds wealth. But what if you don't have $100,000 for a down payment? Good news. In 2025, you can start investing in real estate with as little as $10 through platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, or Arrived Homes. Here's what happens. You and thousands of other small investors pool money to buy a property, maybe an apartment complex or a rental house. When rent comes in, or when the property appreciates, you earn a share of the profit. It's real estate made simple and accessible. You don't deal with tenants, broken toilets, or mortgages. You just invest, watch your dashboard, and collect returns. For anyone who wants real-world assets without real-world headaches, real estate crowdfunding is a solid way to earn passive income. Way 3. Digital products and courses. The third way. Turn your knowledge into income. If you know how to design, teach, or explain something, you can earn money from it online. Digital products are things like ebooks, templates, or online courses that you create once and sell forever. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable make this incredibly simple. You upload your product once, set your price, and every time someone buys, you get paid automatically. Here's the best part. You don't need a big audience, just the right one. Even a few dozen loyal buyers can create hundreds of dollars a month in recurring income. So ask yourself, what do you know that others want to learn? That's your next digital product. Way 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the art of recommending products you already love and earning a commission when others buy through your link. Let's say you talk about finance tools like Fidelity, Webble, or Acorns on social media. When someone signs up using your link, you earn a few dollars, or sometimes even $50 per sign-up. Now imagine this. Your video gets 10,000 views and 100 people sign up. That's hundreds of dollars from one video that keeps paying over time. Start with affiliate networks like Impact, Rakuten, or Amazon Associates. Pick products that match your niche, not random ones. And always recommend what you trust. This is one of the easiest ways to build digital passive income, especially if you're already creating content. Way 5. Automated side businesses, AI tools. Welcome to the future, AI-powered income. In 2025, you can literally run a side business with the help of automation tools. AI handles customer service, social posts, emails, even writing blogs. You can build an online shop using tools like Shopify, plus ChatGPT, plus Canva, or create an AI-based YouTube automation channel. Here's a simple idea. Create short videos with AI voices, trending topics, and faceless animations, just like this channel did. Each video can bring ad revenue, affiliate clicks, and brand deals, all while you sleep. Once your system is set, you're not trading time for money anymore. You're building systems that earn money. Mindset and mistakes to avoid. Now, before you start, here's the mindset you need. Passive income is not instant income. It's a snowball that grows slowly at first, then fast. The biggest mistake people make? They quit too early. You might earn $10 the first month and think it's not working. But those $10 prove something more powerful. It works. The second mistake? Chasing trends instead of consistency. You don't need to try everything. Just pick one or two and master them. Remember, even small wins build momentum. The secret isn't doing everything. It's doing something and sticking with it. You are watching MoneyVerse USA. So there you have it. 5 powerful ways to build passive income in 2025. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment. It's already here. Start small, stay consistent, and let time multiply your efforts. If this video inspired you,
Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comments. Hit the bell icon for more videos about finance and money tips.